Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Robot Learning. In this video, we are going to talk about installing WSL in the Windows. WSL is the Windows subsystem for Linux that you can install in your Windows. With this gadget, you can access to Ubuntu terminal through your Windows. Whenever you cannot access to Ubuntu, or for anyhow you don't want, for any reason you don't want to install double boot, for example, in your laptop or in your PC, you can use this application. So in the learn microsoft.com you can search and see how to install, and through these commands you can install. If so we are going to try it. So we open the command promote cmd, run as the administrator, release, yeah, click yes. Then we can see the distribution through this command, list online. Okay, these are the available Ubuntu Linux distributions that you can install in your system. So if you want to see the list of installed Ubuntu or Linux in your system, you can see through WSL list, and you can see that I installed already 20 and 22. So for example, I want to install 18 in my system. There is two ways. One is through the Microsoft Store. I search Ubuntu 20 and I can just click get, I can install or open. Okay, another way is through this WSL install -d, through this command that you can see. We can type the name of the distributor, Ubuntu 18.0, sorry, 18.04. Alright, so it's going to install. Okay, so for using it, for example, I already installed the 20 or 22. After installation, you can see here in your menu, for example, I click on 20, so it will open as a terminal. And for example, here I can access to the 22 also. At the same time, I will have 20 and the 22. So for example, here I can see the list of file, and in 22, for example, I can have the list. Also, if I want to install any call any software, for example, I already installed Pinta, for example, I can type and I can access to the application. For example, if I want to install sudo apt get install, for example, dia, for example, this is one application. So through this you can install it. So it's quite faster and better than the graphical virtual machine that you can access through your Windows to the graphical Ubuntu, because it doesn't consume so much of your RAM and CPU, and at the same time you can use Ubuntu and Windows together. So I already installed. For example, I click chat, then you can see I can access to this application. Okay, also I can access to the folder, okay, through this bar 20, and so you can see the my folder in the home, and 22 you can see the folders in the home also. Also it's useful for people who want to use the robot operating system. So for example, if you have 20, for example, I install the in my 20 ROS 1 in the 20 ROS Nautic, and I install ROS 2 in my 22. At the same time, I can access two distribution of robot operating system if you are interested in the robotics robot operating system, and you need it. Okay, I hope this video was useful for you. Please like the video, and please support me with your like and subscription of my channel. Thank you very much. See you for other coming videos.